Having trouble sleeping? You're not alone. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, millions of Americans are affected by sleep disorders. Besides waking up groggy and cranky, not getting enough sleep can have side effects on your health, such as decreased focus, weight gain, and poor stress management. With adequate sleep, your body can restore itself mentally and physically. If you find yourself dealing with a bout of insomnia, try these natural tips to help you sleep better. Stay on schedule. Sticking to a sleep schedule will help normalize your body's internal clock. To ensure you'll get the adequate amount of sleep your body needs, count back 7 hours from when you need to wake up in the morning and try to be in bed by that time. Power down. The blue light emitted from digital devices is known to suppress the sleep-regulating hormone melatonin that disrupts your natural circadian rhythm. Turn off your devices an hour before bed and opt to read a book instead. Fool around. Ever feel like you need a nap after being intimate with your partner? There's a reason for that. Intimacy before bed can actually help you sleep soundly. Orgasms release several brain chemicals and hormones, such as prolactin and oxytocin, that promotes relaxation. Chill out. A mindfulness practice, such as meditation, can be beneficial in calming your thoughts and relaxing your body before sleep. Try meditating for just 10 to 15 minutes before bed to see improved quality of sleep. For more tips on how to naturally counteract insomnia and more insight on what could be causing your sleeplessness, visit our Natural Health articles.